What's up, everybody? It is April 6th. So far all day I've been doing a lot of ripping and running around, and I'm kind of still doing it now. And I've been barbecuing, which I am barbecuing now. I had to drop my wife off real quick. Now I gotta go back and get this food together too. I mean, well, I got it on the grill right now actually, but I ended up getting the sales. So that is a bag of Doritos, Flamin' Hot Doritos. So all these chips bags is all pretty much gone. I think I got one more bag left to sell, but there's some Flamin' Hot popcorn. But the Doritos sold today, so I had to go back and get the box ready. I'm pretty much doing the same method I did in the previous video with the other bag of chips that I had. If y'all see that, because I found another box that the kids had with paint stuff in it, but I used that to do it again. So, and in the midst of me dropping my wife off, ended up getting another sale, and it's a pair of some gamers headphones, and I think I had that listed from, I think, Target. It's either Target or either Target or what other store? I don't think it's Walmart.
Is that all you needed?
Yep.
Unfortunately, I can't read you out up here, but we do have all our registers open out there for you.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes.
Listed from, and I forgot what I paid, what I charged. Had it listed for, but it was listed, I think, between 85 and 90. So I got to check. But the pair of headphones itself only cost 50. So I'm bagging up into the driveway now. So I'm gonna have to go pick those up from the store. I don't have those on hand right now, and I'll probably ship that off tomorrow. So, but the bag of chips, I'm trying to get that off today right now. So I'm about to go ahead and check this food, get that package, and send it off. So if anything else goes on today, I'll let y'all know. But other than that, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for life. Learn from your mistakes, and I'm out. Speaking of talking about learning from your mistakes, I've made some. The chips that I sold, I ended up sending the wrong ones. It's my fault. I didn't really check. I was like, when it sold, pretty much I saw the picture of the Doritos, but instead of actually looking at the selection that the person would pick, I didn't do that. So I automatically thought it was Doritos, and I already shipped them off. And once I realized that, I tried to figure out if I could stop the shipping. But oh no, checking that out, they want $14.95 to pretty much stop it. So it's much cheaper to just chalk it and let them have the bag of chips. And I messaged the buyer and let them know that I made the mistake, and I'll still send out the right chips. So I already got that package, and I'm gonna do that in the morning. And so pretty much I was profiting, I think $3, or probably three something, I think. But with me having to resend this back out, I would pretty much be the red, but it's not much. It's only I lost 50 cents. So it's just a lesson learned. I'm not mad about it. Like I said, it's a small error on my part. So I just know not to do that again. And the next thing, the buyer that I sold some of those hot sauce flavored chips, the Lay's, yeah, the man, he got them, and he was disappointed that he thought it was a bigger bag, but it wasn't. And he had sent me a screenshot of the description, which it didn't have the bag size for that particular chip, which I thought I had, and I think I probably did, but as each chip was selling, I was always going back and editing my listing and taking like stuff off that shouldn't be in the description no more. But instead of just leaving it alone, I could just left it be, and people would have known that it was out of stock. They couldn't purchase it because it gets grayed out. But I didn't do that. I took it upon myself, kept editing it, and I think I made a mistake and edited that chip bag out, and he thought it was a bigger bag and it wasn't. So yeah, I mean, I ended up messaging back and forth, and we ended up working it out. He ended up being happy about it because I offered him just for the error on my part, plus at the same time he really didn't pay attention to the readings anyways, but it's all cool. But I offered him a partial refund. He accepted that, and I just gave him back $2. So instead of me profiting at $3.05, I just profit $1.05. So it's not really a loss. It's just a piece of the pot that was taken away, pretty much. But like I said, this is another lesson learned. So make sure I don't edit too much on my listings when I do edit. I mean, I used to edit a lot, like going back and refining them and all that, but as the more I start growing, putting listings, like, kind of decreases. So anytime something don't sell or something, I kind of probably go back and I edit it, probably either specifics or probably the title, maybe change up the pictures, or like put another picture at the first one. But anyways, I'm going off track. So those were the 2 mistakes that I had today alone. But they were still small mistakes. But this is just my stepping stone. Like I said, as I grow, as I get more and more sales come, then it's gonna be probably sometimes bigger problems. I ain't saying it's gonna be a lot, but something's gonna occur. But the goal is always try to keep the customer happy, because that's pretty much what it ends up being. Because you still got to get our ratings good, keep our feedback good, and pretty much that's pretty the juice of the operation, having a good feedback. I mean, it's other factors, but that's kind of like the main topic of it. But I learned my lesson, and I just have to adjust accordingly and keep it moving. Other than that, it's not stopping anything else. So with all that said, once again, stay a student for life. Learn from your mistakes, just like we did today. And that's pretty much it. I'll talk to y'all later. Oh, almost forgot. Also, I had a listing ended in the auction. It was I forgot. Hold on. It was an International Service Master. I'm seeing here, it's a radio amplifier too. I don't know if it worked or not. I have no way of testing it. So, I mean, it came out of the one auction, online auction that I had my first time going to, when I had a bunch of fuses. I mean, yeah, with fuses, tubes on, I guess outside whatever term. Well, I think I had probably had altogether 97 tubes, but one of them was like a film, like the old film that you put in the camera, a regular camera. So, and I looked that listing up, and I think I priced that for $24.95. But anyways, so all those tubes I got out that online auction. I paid $3.36. So with this one tube that sold, which I never tested in anything, it sold for $5.50 plus they pay for shipping, which is I think $1.80. You probably should see it, but well, I'm still waiting for them to pay. So once they pay that, then I'll be shipping that off along with the other stuff. So with that one tube sold, I pretty much already made my money back plus profit. So and the rest of them, I just have to sell off. I mean, I had them for a little bit, probably a week now. Yeah, for a week, and I ran auction on all of them. So far, it didn't sell. So I'll probably run the auction again and probably manipulate the listing a little bit. But other than that, I already made my money back already. So the rest of it would just be profit for whatever I get for it out of a $3.36 investment. And once it paid, I'll be shipping it off with the rest of the other stuff that I got shipping in the morning. And that's it with that one. Just wanted to add that in.